Hello everyone. I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of mechatronics and automation. In the previous video, we have discussed about what is adaptive control and then how it is accomplished and the necessity of adaptive control for the modern situation. So as a continuation of this, in this video, we are going to discuss about the stages of accomplishment of adaptive control. So we have various stages of the adaptive control system. It is starting from the basic to final system that we are going to discuss about in this module. So here I have illustrated the various stages of the adaptive control system. So the first stage is to the adaptive control system. It can be operated based on the preset value, that is, we have set the preset value based on the assumed condition. So initially we are not aware of the external circumstance. So for that we need to give the assumed data. So the initial stage, the adaptive control system can be operated based on the assumed condition. For example, if you are taking the example of centralized air conditioning system. The centralized air conditioning system uh, during initial stage or starting stage, it is not able to measure the external humidity and external temperature. So for that, it is assumed to be a preset temperature. It may be set preset value of 35 degrees centigrade and the approximate humidity of 75%. So that can be given as the preset value, and the system has to operate based on the preset value. And the second stage is to the desired performance is continuously compared with the actual system of the performance. So we have set the values of human comfort temperature and the humidity in the central air conditioning system. Say for example, 26 is the human comfort temperature and the humidity is the 55% of the humidity. So it continuously, the system has to continuously operate, and the actual system performance is measured with the help of sensors and transducers. So those performance can be compared with the desired performance or the set values. Say for example, the actual performance of the system, the temperature is around 30 degrees centigrade after cooling, and the humidity is about 65, relative humidity is about 65%. It just compares the preset value. And we already set the value of temperature of 20 degrees and 26 degrees centigrade and the preset relative humidity of 55%. If there is any deviation, and to meet the deviation, it gives additional signals or it changes the correction factors, and those correction factor and additional signal can be sent it to the control system so that the control system can operate effectively. The third stage is that the control system mode and parameters can be automatically adjusted and continuously adjusted in order to minimize the difference between the desired and the actual system of the performance. So once it is measured and it is compared, so if the deviation is more, it gives more control signal. If the deviation is less, it gives only less control signal that can be changed automatically and continuously. So we cannot ensure that the outer surrounding temperature is constant. It is keep on varying from morning to evening and the different climatic conditions. Accordingly, it will automatically adjust the system, and we can have a consistent control over the system. So this is these are all the basic stages of the adaptive control system. So these are all the references for my presentation. First reference is Mechatronics authored by W. Bolton, published by Pearson Education, uh, second edition in the year of 1999. And my second reference is Mechatronics, authored by Bradley, published by Chapman and Hall, the year of 1993. So these two references are important references for the mechatronics. So in this lecture series video, we have elaborately discussed about the various stages of the control system. So let us summarize my video. So the first stage is to reduce the, I mean, measure, it is operated based on the preset value. And the second stage is to continuously monitors and gives the signal to the control system. And the third system, based on the differences, the factors and the input levels can be automatically adjusted. So I hope this video is useful for you. So thank you for watching this video.